Magandang araw mga kalagalag. Ito na naman po ang inyong lagalag na guro upang pag-aralan natin ang solving linear inequalities with one variable. So our goals are to identify linear inequalities and check solutions, solve linear inequalities and express the solutions graphically on a number line and in interval notation, and we are to graph inequalities. So, what is linear inequalities? A linear inequality is a mathematical statement that relates a linear expression as either less than or greater than another. So, ito po yung mga ano niya. So, it can be greater than or equal to. Yung sa ilalim po yung equal to. So, less than or equal to. Sabihin po nito, whatever the value here, unknown, is mas mataas kumpara doon sa nandito. Ito naman po, parehas or mas mataas kumpara sa nandito. Ito naman po, yung nandito, mas maliit kumpara sa nandito. Yung po ibig sabihin ng less than, mas maliit. Yung less than or equal to, mas maliit or parehas. So, greater than is mas malaki, greater than or equal to, mas malaki or parehas. Less than is mas maliit, less than or equal to is mas maliit or parehas. Okay, we will be giving examples for that. Okay, so a solution to a linear inequality is a real number that will produce a true statement. So later on, you will see that when substituted for the variable. So linear inequalities have either infinitely many solutions, yes, or no solution at all. Okay. So for example, our negative 4, our x is equal to negative 4 and x is equal to positive 6 solutions to 5x plus 7 less than 22. Okay, so our statement here is 5x plus 7 less than 22. So is this is negative 4 and positive 6, are they solutions to this expression? Okay, so what are you going to do? Ano pong gagawin nyo? You substitute. Okay, so if x is negative 4 and x is positive 6 to this equation. Okay, so for example, we use negative 4, we substitute it. So 5 times negative 4 sa x plus 7 is less than 22. So 5 times negative 4 is negative 20 plus 7. So you simplify, negative 20 plus 7 is negative 13 less than 22. Is negative 13 less than 22? Yes. So our statement is true. Therefore, negative 4 is a solution to 5x plus 7 less than 22. So how about positive 6? Is positive 6 a solution to this expression 5x plus 7 less than 22? So let us try. So let's substitute. So 5 plus 6 plus 7 equals less than 22. So 5 times 6 is 30 plus 7 less than 22. So 37 is 37 less than 22? Of course not. So the statement is not true. This statement is not true. Therefore, 6 is not a solution to our expression 5x plus 7 is less than 22. So that is how you will check the if a number is a solution or not. So you substitute it. Okay, so for now, we will be graphing it. So ano po yung paano nyo po malalaman yung lahat ng solutions na value ng x na pwedeng maging true. So yun po. So 5x plus 7 less than 22. So for us to get that, we remove positive 7 here. So for us to remove it, para matanggal po natin that this is addition, so we subtract negative 7. Just like what we are doing in linear equation, right? So plus 7, minus 7. So whatever you do here on the left side, you do on the right side. So you subtracted negative 7. You subtracted 7. Therefore, you will subtract 7 also on the right side. So you perform your operation. 7 minus 7 is 0. So 5x will remain on the left side. So 22 minus 7 is 15. So you have common denominator, common factor between 5 and 15, and that is 5. So you divide both sides of your inequality by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is x. 5x divided by 5 is x. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So your answer now is all your x is less than positive 3. So how will you write that in your number line? You encircle here, then you write, since less than, you draw an arrow to the uh, to the to the left of the number line. So it means that the value less than 3 are all solutions to your equation. So that includes positive 2, 1, 0, negative 1, and so on. A while ago, we have computed negative 13. Therefore, negative 13 is included. So that is true. While we solve for positive 37, positive 6, that is not a solution kasi it's here, your positive 6, therefore it's not a solution because you will not, all solutions are located here, which is less than 3. Okay, 3 is not included. 3 is not included, but all numbers less than 3. Okay, so let's try solving more problems. Okay, so are you seeing this? Okay, so we will be solving more problems. Then we will try to graph this. Okay, so let's try solving more problems. Let me use blue. So this is 6A. Okay, again, I have difficulty in writing. So this is plus 10. You can actually transpose 10 to the other side of your inequality. But I prepare to use this method for you to understand why. Okay, so you subtracted 10 there. So you should also subtract 10 here. Okay, so this is 10 minus 10 is 0. So this is 6A. 6A is less than 34 minus 10 is 24. So you see 24 and 6 has common factor, which is 6. Right? So your A is greater than 4. So therefore, your answer are numbers greater than 4. What are those? 4.1. So, pero let's make it a whole number, 5 and up. Okay? So, how will you draw that? How will you draw that? So, baba ko lang po ito. Okay, so, for you to draw that, let me, I can draw number line here. Okay. So, greater than 4. Okay, so greater than 4. So, how to graph that in your number line, you simply locate 4. Okay, locate 4 first. Okay, then it says A is greater than. So what are the number greater than 4? So when we say greater than, so your arrow should be going to the right. Okay, so you observe that I did not shade this one. So later on, you will be seeing values. When this is shaded, you have equality sign here. So it means it is included. So in here, 4 is not included, therefore it's not shaded. Okay? So you will be seeing later on problems with the shaded circle there. Okay, so let's try more. So how about this one? So this is 7B. 7B. Okay, 7B plus 18 4B. So what will you do is to transfer you transfer positive 4B on the right side, or you subtract uh, positive B on the left side, rather on the right side, or this one. So sabay-sabay na po natin gawin. So this is negative 4B. So later you will see why. Tapos this is positive 18. So to remove that, you subtract negative 18, right? Okay. So let me move this. Okay. 4B plus 18. Okay, so this is 4B. I subtracted negative 4B there because to cancel 4B here, you will subtract 4B. Right? So this is 0, 0. This is 0 plus 10. I subtracted negative 18 on the left side, so I should subtract negative 18 here. So this is 3B, right? 3B less than negative 10 minus, this is negative 8. So no common denominator, but we need to remove this. So para makuha natin yung sagot. This is B is less than negative 8 over 3 is somehow 2. So this is 2.66, 2.67, 2/3, 2 and 2/3. So this is 2.67. So somehow, kindly use your calculator. I'm just, alam ko lang po yung value ng 2/3. So that is 0.6666 non-terminating. Okay. So when you graph that, okay, graph po natin. Paano po ba yan? Negative. So let's put negative signs. Tanggalin natin to kasi, I cannot use this pala. Sorry. Baka malito po kayo. Wala tayong negative sign. And wala tayong 0. Magbubura rin ako. So, ang gawin ko na lang, mag-draw na lang ako. Okay. So, yun po. So, this is 0. So, this is 1. Negative 2. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. This is 1, 2, 3. So, this is 0. This is negative, negative 2, negative 3. So, this is 1, 2, 3. So, paano po yan? Nasaan po yan? 2.67 is somewhere here. Right? Okay, so it's greater than, therefore, your B is less than, rather. So, your B is here. Again, your circle is not shaded. Not shaded because negative 2.67 is not included. Okay, so my discussion is quite long na po. So let's try graphing this if you have this kind of equation. Okay, we have shaded already. Okay, so try po natin to 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is negative 1, 2, 3. So this is negative 1. This is 1. So positive 3 here. Okay. Positive 3 here. And that is included now. Okay. So greater than, less than, therefore, ano po yung mabababa sa 3? So, kasama siya. So, nandito po sa left. Okay? So, yun po yung difference kung nakita nyo po. Then, ito naman, negative 3 less than din po. This is greater than. No, less than, right. So, ito, our number 2 example. So, lagay natin yung 0 dito. So, this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So, positive 1. Can you follow? So, if you have questions po, I'm not writing it all kasi alam nyo naman na po yan, negative 2, negative 3 yan. So, kasi tatagal po tayo. Okay, so, greater, negative 3, you locate it, this one. Okay, then you're equal to, my shade. So, greater than or equal to, ano yung matataas sa kanya? So, papunta po siya dito. Okay? So, please do, if you wanted to have more problems, please click my references in the description box so you can have more problems and worksheets. Okay? So, and you can answer that. If you wanted additional problem sheets, you just Google and you will find a lot of worksheets. Okay, so I hope you learned something today, and okay, so here are my references. I will be putting this in the description box so you can work on problems, similar problems. Okay, so and that's it. This is your Lagalag na Guro. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so ano nyo po na I have uploaded a tutorial video. So, this is a picture taken in Sagada Mountain Province in one of my travel. So, that it has a falls actually. So, malapit po dyan yung falls. So, for about 20 meters away. So, okay. So, it's not, wala pong hindi masyadong ano yung tubig, tahimik lang. Okay, see you. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.